Hiring in different countries can be complicated with different laws, taxes, and payroll processes to consider. But with Oyster, you can streamline the entire process, making it easier and more efficient to hire anywhere in the world. In this quick Oyster guide, I'll walk you through how to use the platform to hire internationally. First, what exactly is Oyster? It's a global employment platform designed to help businesses easily hire, manage, and pay employees in various countries. Whether you're expanding your team in Europe, Asia, or anywhere else, Oyster handles the legal, tax, and compliance challenges, allowing you to focus on growing your business. The process begins with setting up your company on Oyster's platform. Once you sign up, you'll gain access to a dashboard where you can manage all your global hiring needs. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it simple, even for those with little experience in global employment, to navigate. To start hiring, simply choose the country where you want to employ someone. Oyster has a vast network of countries, and you'll be able to quickly see the specific rules and regulations for hiring in each. Whether you're dealing with work visas, tax withholdings, or specific local benefits, Oyster handles the heavy lifting. Once you've selected your country, you can post job listings directly from the platform or choose from a pool of pre-vetted candidates that Oyster partners with. The platform allows you to create customized job offers, manage employment contracts, and automate payroll for employees in any country. If you need to hire a contractor or full-time employee, Oyster makes it easy. You can onboard them without worrying about navigating complex international labor laws. Oyster ensures compliance with all local labor laws, handling everything from contracts to health insurance and tax filing. One of the great features is Oyster's automated payroll system. It manages local currency conversions and payment timelines, ensuring your employees are paid accurately and on time, no matter where they are. The system is designed to save you time and ensure compliance with all local tax laws. Oyster also simplifies the process of offering employee benefits, which can be a headache when hiring in multiple countries. With Oyster, you can offer competitive benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off, all compliant with the local laws of each country. As for tax filings, Oyster automates this process as well, so you don't have to worry about late filings or penalties. They also offer tools for you to track employee work hours, expenses, and other vital information. To wrap up, Oyster offers an efficient and hassle-free way to hire employees in multiple countries. From simplifying the recruitment process to managing payroll and taxes, it takes care of all the heavy lifting, letting you focus on scaling your business. You can even try Oyster for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. With exclusive bonuses, you'll get access to their platform without paying a dime. Don't miss out on this limited offer to streamline your global hiring efforts. Make sure to check out the extended free trial link below and experience how Oyster can change the way you manage hiring across borders.